First, get a balloon pump and a twisty balloon. And pump it up until you have about 1.5 inches at the end.
Here's a little trick for you. On this end, you're going to take it about 2 inches deep, pinch it real good, let that out, and there's an easy way to tie. Because otherwise, it's really hard to tie. And if you want this to be rounded again, watch. You stick your finger right in there. Just give it a couple jabs. There we go. Ta-da! Nice and round. For the nose, we're going to start with the nose. Remember, we're leaving about 1.5 inches on the end. I'm going to start with the nose. Come over here, and you're going to pinch about 2 or 3 inches in. You're going to pinch and twist. Then you're going to hold that so that it doesn't untwist, right? And then for the first ear, we're going to go about 1 inch in. Twist. Now you're twisting this side, the long side. Fold it over, like so. Pinch and twist that one as well. Right? If you get it wrong, just let it undo. Squeeze it back and forth a little bit. Okay? And then when we get it the exact same size, okay? And twist. Right? Then you're going to twist them together. So, one more for good measure. And there you have that. Give this a little bit of a squeeze. So that this end can start to fill up. Then you're going to take it about 4 inches down for the neck and give it a good twist. It's okay to twist the left side right now because it's nothing linked. Then hold, and you're going to go about the same distance, maybe a little bit further. And you're going to twist. Now you're twisting the long side. Okay, back over. Here's a little trick for you. So instead of having to twist this one, you're just going to pinch and twist it into a knot on this side. Ta-da! All right. Ta-da! Okay, now you're going to stretch this one out. Get it finished at the end. Doink, just like that. Give it a nice squeeze. There it goes. Now for this one, you're going to go about hand width, right about here. And do the same thing. Twist. Right? And come about the same distance as this. Okay. Pinch. Twist. Remember, you're going to twist the long side. Good. Bring it back over. Pinch. And twist. Ta-da! And there's your own little wiener dog.
Nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe.